Hello and welcome to our channel. So today I will be demonstrating you the usage of n8n workflow. Like we are working on a cool cafe, capturing the table booking system using n8n. So to start with, I'll just demonstrate what we are working and what are the tools we are using. Like we are using the n8n tool. Like I'll go through the walkthrough of n8n, and we are using some tools like Google Calendar, and we are integrating our chatbot to our website, and I'll just demonstrate how it works. Like this is the chatbot which is serving from n8n. A user can come here, or our customers reach out here, and if they want to check the availability, they can simply click on hi. Our agent is responding like hi, hello, to help you book a table at Cool Cafe. May I know your name? So I'll just key in my name. Hi, sure. How many members will be joining you? Also, please let me know the purpose of your visit, casual, birthday, and we are also taking care of any special events. Like if the customer is coming to us for a special occasion, then we can plan something special for them. So I'll simply say birthday. Great for the birthday booking. What time are we visiting and how many members, so that it can plan for us accordingly. Okay, so I'll tell four members at 6 p.m. today. So the AI is thinking, okay, hi, sure, your Cool Cafe booking is confirmed. Table 1 and 2, like 6:30 to 7. And purpose is birthday booking. Nice. So if you want to see this, how it has been reflected, we can come here and simply see our calendar. Yeah, we can see it's been reflected. So yeah, to start with, I will be showing how n8n works. N8n is a very popular tool, which is a no code tool. Anyone can use n8n. Like it is not for developer or someone IT profession or nothing like that. Anyone. So this is the canvas of n8n. Like this is a trigger point, like the initial point of an AI job. We can show or use some trigger over here. For example, we can choose chatbot, like chat trigger. So after that, we want some agent to operate accordingly. So I'll say AI agent, and I want to assign some LLM. I will use OpenAI. Yeah, so this is a basic setup of AI. Like I am setting up a chat window, AI agent, and LLM. So LLM is responsible for responding for the questions we are asking to the AI. For testing this, I can simply type hi over here. Yes, our query is executed, and if I see the response, yeah, it says hello, how can I assist you? What is climate in Bangalore today? If I may mistake in my spellings also, like AI is smart enough to take care of it, so not to worry about it. Yeah, it is able to respond me. Nice, right? Okay, now let's try something else. So I'll simply close this and I'll show the another job which I have done for my Cool Cafe. So Cool Cafe is a AI agent, like it making use of a chatbot, and it also uses webhook for accepting the request from our web portal, which will be interacted as a chat API. And we are using OpenAI a memory for holding some context about the user until the transaction has been completed. And we are using Google Calendar tool, and chat for creating the invite. We are using create invite Google Calendar API for making the use of API. So we can use Google API services. For example, going to Google Console, Google Cloud Console, you can come here and search for calendar. So first thing, if you are trying for your business, like your account should be activated for the Google Calendar, then you should click on manage credentials. Here you will find the credentials what you want to use for your job. So you can simply copy the client ID and client secret and simply apply it to your n8n. For applying to your n8n, you can simply click on this and add it from here, or else go for uh, credentials window and configure it. You need to key in your client ID here, secret here, and also you can give a custom name if you want to, and save it. So already we have in our case, so I'm not doing that. Okay, and for llm same, like we need to have a llm API key. If you don't have one, you can go and create one for the thing. If you don't know the process, you can simply go to the documentation and follow the process to get the API key. It is very straightforward and simple enough to understand. Okay, so this is how our AI is configured. And if we let's pick the important part, like a major brain of our AI. When you double click here and see our prompt window, so I've instructed my AI to use these rules and regulations. If you read out like a CoolCafe table booking assistant prompt, like I've given my like a title for role for the AI agent, like you are a booking scheduling assistant for CoolCafe. You should handle the job given to it using Google Calendar, and these are the tool names. And I have also mentioned our cafe capacity, like I have written like 50 is my cafe capacity, and each table holds two sittings. It means 25 tables, 50 capacity, and the maximum booking duration is 30 minutes. If they want to book it like for the longer time, they should book it multiple times. And in similar way, like if the already booking exists for the given time slot, then always have a 15 minutes gap, so that we have our cleaning process and all in place, so that our customers are not disturbed in serving. And these are the rules, like what all things we need, like we need the username, and we need the purpose, like if it is a special occasion, and number of people are visiting, the time slot, and it should be in a IST format. And also like third duration of the time we are booking, we are capturing all of this information. And if AI is not clear enough, then AI will ask the questions like so and so information is required, please provide. In such way, the AI does its job precisely. And this is the format what we are providing to the customer on booking confirmation. So the booking flow, everything is neatly written over here. And these are the example outputs, like how I want to display my output to the user in the chat window. So this makes our AI very clear on what it needs to be done and how it needs to be done. If in case if the booking is already there and the conflicts are there, then user should be intimated with a proper error message, right? And a message should not be like disappointing, and it should be engaging kind of a thing, so that it motivates user to try out another attempt with different time slots. So those all scenarios are taken care over here. So this will help user to engage and do its job. And also we can have some prompting kind of like attraction kind of a thing, like giving like advance pre-booking users, giving 5% discount or anything like that, or like a table booking discount, anything. So those all kind of things can be done so easily using AI and using n8n. This is just a masterpiece of example how you can start with. Limit is the sky. So this is our cafe web page. Once the user lands here, he can simply type in the chat icon, and he will simply type hi. Our AI is smart enough, it will ask us for the question for the needed information. For example, in this case, it is asking us for the name. I'll say Ishwar. Hi Ishwar, how many members will be joining? So it is asking us to know how many members are visiting and the purpose of visit. Is it a special vacation? So I'll say, yeah, we are like 6 members for birthday. So there's no format or no like restrictions. It is simply English language and just chatting with the AI. Thanks Ishwar. Since you have 6 members and each table have 2 sittings, You need three tables. Please provide specific. Wow, it is smart enough to decide number of tables are required for six members, and also I need to provide date and time. Okay, I'll say like 3 p.m. today. Oh, sure. For today 3 p.m. the first three tables are already booked. Okay, it says like closely the same time booking is already available, so it is asking me to select different time. So what I will do, I will try to make it 3:30. Try for 3:30, and my contact is 9123 123 123. See, like if the conflicts are available also, our AI was doing its job very neatly. Like it instructed me what to do, how to do, and I simply tried out and see I'm successfully done with my booking. Like your cool cafe booking is six members birthday celebration is confirmed. Tables 567 3:30 to 4, and it says like booking ID, mobile number, everything. It is like greeting us with the Google Calendar invite and all. So this kind of things are can easily achieved using AI, and this is not just a chatbot. We can extend this usability to WhatsApp, Telegram, or any. We can also convert this to a normal message chat. So this kind of flexibility and powerful things we can achieve using AI. Yeah, this is all about n8n, a basic use case. If you enjoy this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It motivates us to deliver the high content maximum possible. Thanks for watching.